My name's Julie and I'm 55.
Why did you originally come to the All on 4 clinic?
I had a lot of missing teeth and I wore a partial upper denture, and I had a few missing below on the lower plate, yes. The state of my teeth affected my life in my self-confidence, in the way that I spoke, because I always spoke with my hand over my mouth and people didn't really understand me, and I was embarrassed to smile in public.
Julie was great. She was embarrassed to smile, and for most people, it would get them down. But she was always positive and in good spirits. I love that about her. But that was just the front. In reality, she was suffering a great deal with her dentures and wanted something better.
I had my treatment 3 years ago. It was my son's wedding coming up, and vanity. I wanted to look good for my son's in the photos for my son's wedding.
Can you tell me about your experience at this clinic?
The staff have always been welcoming and very friendly, and even when I've walked in with no teeth for some reason, yes, they've been very good, make me feel comfortable. The treatment improved my quality of life because it's given me the confidence to go and smile, talk, laugh. I'm not covering my face anymore so people can hear me and understand what I'm saying. And yeah.
Was there anything that restricted you before?
Before I had the treatment, I avoided apples and nuts and things that were, and carrots, raw carrot, things that were hard to bite into, because if I bit into them, I'd probably lose my denture. Or yeah, so I'd chop it all up before I ate it. It would be in little bits, but now it's not a problem. People that didn't know I was getting it done and that I hadn't seen for a while looked at me, and most of them said, "What have you had done? What's different? Your hair's different. What's different? You look really amazing." It has changed my life incredibly. It has given me confidence. As I said, I've got confidence now where I didn't have before. I did used to always talk covering my face, my mouth, because I hated that feeling of, I was worried that the denture was going to slip, or I couldn't talk properly sometimes. I have no dramas with that. I don't mind smiling now. I haven't got the gaps and the uneven teeth. And yeah.